Hey everyone, welcome back to Neeti Daily. It's Sunday, 15th March 2026, and we have 8 important stories for your UPSC preparation today. Let's dive right in. Alright, moving on. Story 1. US demolishes Kharag Island, Iran's economic heart targeted in war's biggest escalation. Location of Kharag Island, Persian Gulf, off Iran's southwestern coast, distinct from Strait of Hormuz. Kharag Island's share of Iran's oil exports, 90%, and daily capacity. BRICS 2026 Chair, India, Sherpa Channel as diplomatic mechanism. India's crude oil import sources and vulnerability to West Asia disruptions. Here are the key facts. Kharag Island is approximately 8 kilometers long, located 25 kilometers off Iran's southwestern coast in the Persian Gulf. The island handles approximately 90% of Iran's crude oil exports. US President Trump threatened to hit Kharag Island a few more times just for fun. Oil prices surged 40% since the US-Israel-Iran war began on 28 February 2026. Next up. Story 2. India's LPG crisis, how the West Asia war exposed India's 60% import dependence. India's LPG import dependence percentage, 60%. PM Ujjwala Yojana, beneficiaries, launch year, objective. PNG versus LPG, difference in delivery mechanism. Government emergency measures, production mandate, PNG LPG separation order. Here are the key facts. India imports approximately 60% of its LPG requirement. Most Indian LPG imports transit through the Persian Gulf Strait of Hormuz. Government ordered a 25% mandatory increase in domestic LPG production. PNG users must surrender LPG connections, cannot hold both simultaneously. Now, this is important. Story 3. Strait of Hormuz, India's diplomatic balancing act as the world's oil choke point stays choked. Strait of Hormuz, a location between Iran and Oman, with 33 km share of global oil trade, 20%. Comparison of major oil choke points, Hormuz, Malacca, Bab el Mandeb, Suez Canal. India's BRICS Chair 2026 and Sherpa Channel mechanism. US energy dominance policy, Trump administration's energy geopolitics. Here are the key facts. Strait of Hormuz is approximately 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, between Iran and Oman. Approximately 20% of global oil trade, about 20 million barrels per day, transits the strait. Iran's ambassador to India confirmed Iran allowed some ships to pass, including Indian vessels. US Interior Secretary pitched America as reliable energy supplier to 17 Asia-Pacific nations in Tokyo. Here's an interesting one. Story 4. US Section 301 forced labor probe, India's solar panels, electronics, and garments at risk. Section 301 of US Trade Act 1974, Authority, Mechanism, Remedies. Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, UFLPA, Xinjiang, Rebuttable Presumption. USTR, Role, Authority, Relationship with USTR versus WTO. India's PLI scheme for solar panels, relevance to supply chain scrutiny. Here are the key facts. US launched Section 301 investigation on 12 March 2026, the second such probe in March alone. The probe covers 60 economies including India and China. China faces heightened scrutiny over forced labor in Xinjiang, textiles, electronics, solar polysilicon. India's exports of solar panels, electronics, and garments to the US may face closer scrutiny. Okay, let's talk about this. Story 5. India AI mission, 10,000 crore rupees for sovereign AI infrastructure drives IT sector demand. India AI mission, 10,000 crore rupees, Nodal Ministry, Metwai, 6 components. Digital sovereignty, components, data, compute, algorithmic sovereignty. GPU, what it is, why it matters for AI, US export restrictions. India's G20 2023 AI Governance, New Delhi Principles on AI. Here are the key facts. India AI mission has 10,000 crore rupees tilde $1.2 billion in government investment. Goal, build sovereign AI computing infrastructure, datasets, and platforms independent of foreign providers. 10,000 plus GPU cluster procurement plan for Indian startups and researchers. MeitY, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, is the nodal ministry. This one is really significant. Story 6. India's first judicial passive euthanasia, SC allows withdrawal of life support in landmark case. Passive versus active euthanasia, legal status in India. Article 21, Right to die with dignity, key cases, Aruna Shanbog 2011, Common Cause 2018. Advanced Directive, Living Will, recognized under Common Cause 2018. Persistent vegetative state, definition and medical criteria. Here are the key facts. On 11th March 2026, India's first judicial approval of passive euthanasia in a specific case. Harish Rana, 32, was in a persistent vegetative state for nearly 13 years after a fall. Bench, Justices J.B. Pardiwala and K.V. Viswanathan. Both the medical board and Rana's family had stated treatment was futile. Pay attention to this. Story 7. ECI announces assembly poll dates for Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Puducherry. Article 324, ECI's constitutional basis, superintendence, direction and control. Model Code of Conduct, not statutory, scope, when it comes into force. ECI composition, CEC plus 2 election commissioners, and appointment process. UTs with legislatures, Delhi, J&K, Puducherry. Here are the key facts. ECI announced assembly poll dates on 15th March 2026 at 4 p.m. 5 jurisdictions, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, states, plus Puducherry, Union Territory. Current ECI composition, CEC Ganesh Kumar plus ECs Sukhbir Singh Sandhu plus Vivek Joshi. ECI visited West Bengal on 10th March to review poll preparedness. And finally, Story 8. North Korea tests nuclear-capable multiple rocket launchers as South Korea drills begin. NPT, year, 1968, 3 pillars, North Korea's withdrawal, 2003. Korean Peninsula geography, DPRK borders China, Russia, South Korea. Ballistic missile classification by range, SRBM, MRBM, IRBM, ICBM. Countries not in NPT, India, Pakistan, Israel, never joined, North Korea, withdrew. Here are the key facts. North Korea tested nuclear-capable multiple rocket launcher system, MRLS, on 14th March 2026. Kim Jong-un and his daughter were present at the test. South Korea identified approximately 10 ballistic missiles launched. Test came days after a South Korea annual spring military exercises began. Okay, quiz time. With reference to Kharag Island, consider the following statements. 1. It is located in the Strait of Hormuz. 2. It handles approximately 90% of Iran's crude oil exports. 3. It is situated in the Persian Gulf, approximately 25 kilometers off Iran's coast. Which of the statements given above are correct? Is it A. 1 and 2 only? B. 2 and 3 only? C. 1 and 3 only? Or D. 1, 2 and 3? Pause the video if you need more time. And the correct answer is B. 2 and 3 only. Did you get it right? Statement 1 is incorrect. Kharag Island is located in the Persian Gulf, not in the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is a separate narrow waterway connecting the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman. Statements 2 and 3 are correct. The most common trap is conflating Kharag Island with the Strait of Hormuz because both are discussed together in the context of Iran's oil exports. And that's a wrap for today. Here's a quick recap of everything we covered. US demolishes Kharag Island, Iran's economic heart targeted in war's biggest escalation. India's LPG crisis, how the West Asia war exposed India's 60% import dependence. Strait of Hormuz, India's diplomatic balancing act as the world's oil choke point stays choked. US Section 301 forced labor probe, India's solar panels, electronics, and garments at risk. India AI mission, 10,000 crore rupees for sovereign AI infrastructure drives IT sector demand. And more. Make sure to revise these topics. See you tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss your daily